All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Toyota Corolla. It is the LE model, this beautiful red with the black interior. 32,000 miles, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper. Oh, I dropped my tool. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks very nice. Is your front driver's hubcap? I'm sorry, your front driver's fender. Front driver's hubcap. Let's check out your tire thread, which is, I don't know. Hold on. My gauge is messed up. 1 second, guys. All right, folks, and we're back. I got my gauge working. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 5:30 seconds. Let me double check it. That's correct, 5:30 seconds. Here's your front door, rear door, quarter, looks nice. Rear driver's hubcap. Your tire thread is at 6:30 seconds. Is it chippy? Is this a chippy? Nope. Looking good. Then I shot at your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It does come with one key fob combo. Check out pictures for more details. Let's check it out. Turn it on for you guys. Get your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. You got your backup camera. Pow. Got your AC controls right down below. And ice cold. The steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure, and your mileage of 32,859. Pretty much can space the tour. Let me open up the trunk, keeping it moving here. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around your rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Let's have a chip there, some chips over here, a scuffing down here. It's typical of any bumper. That's why it's a bumper, folks. Your rear trunk space, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. And I did tuck away your owner's manual right back. Quarter looks good. Does seem to have a dent here with some paint off about 2 inches. Boom, boom. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread is at 6:30 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. And your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front passenger hubcap. And your tire thread is at 5:30 seconds. Seems to have a little dent here and another one on the bumper itself. Other than that, we look pretty good. Lights are working, car is on, things are working. Folks, once again, a 2017 Toyota Corolla LE model with 32,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.